I just did my makeup live on TikTok with you guys. I had a ton of fun doing it live with you. If you're not already following me on TikTok, girl, you missing out. Go ahead, click the link down below and follow your girl. I'm pretty much makeup doll with a 0 on everything, okay? But let's get into this wig install right here. This wig is from Ashimary hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. I am rocking one of their 360 frontal wigs. So yes, you can wear this wig up if you would like, and I definitely show you what that looks like. But this particular wig is 26 inches long. She is very full. She is giving. I wanted to do baby hairs with this wig because water wave and baby hairs just go together real bad. You can't tell me they don't. But yeah, get into this hairline, y'all. Super cute. I've been out all day, so the hair is getting nice and big. If you would like to see how I installed this wig, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Start to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait out on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was it was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules. Big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
So I did add baby hairs to the wig, y'all. I ended up going to lunch with one of my friends, one of my old co-workers, and then I did add a little parting. The hair has fully air dried now. It is so pretty. Get into it. I'm going to go ahead and take my comb here and just comb through this parting area just so the hair is not like crunchy. Because you know, sometimes when you use mousse, it can get a little crunchy, okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of oil and I'm going to apply it just to the top of the hair and also throughout, just to get rid of any frizziness in the hair, any frizzy or like crunchiness throughout the hair. This is the look right here. This hair is so pretty. I'm actually gonna change my clothes and I'll be right back so you can really see this hair. So I went ahead and changed my clothes. I wanted y'all to really get into what this wig was looking like. The black was not giving it justice. Like, I felt cute in that outfit, don't get me wrong, but y'all couldn't really see this wig like that, okay? But this is the final look, y'all. She is super full, super pretty. You can wear this wig up, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like up in just a second. So you can definitely rock this wig in a ponytail like I am right now. I just have it in a loose ponytail right now. And here is the second style. I put the hair up in a claw clip right here. It's super cute and messy. Like, get into this. I'm loving this. And here is what the back of the wig is looking like, y'all. I hope it looks cute. I can't really see, but it feels like it's a whole vibe back there. Let me know. You can wear this baby down like I am, in a side parting, middle parting, half up, half down. Like, the styling options with this wig are honestly limitless. If you love water wave textured wigs, I think you're definitely gonna love this one from Ashimary Hair. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Ashimary Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate all of the love that y'all have shown me as of late and over the last 15 years. It is super amazing, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not already checked out my chit chat, get ready with me. What you doing, baby? I'm spilling a lot of tea in that video. Definitely make your way over there next.